Good morning children. Today we are going to start English grammar from your new grammar and more book of class 7. And the first chapter today we are starting is sentences. Children, do you know what is sentences? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. And a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. Sometimes a group of words makes sense but not complete sense. Such a group of words is called a phrase. For example, at an event, a lovely blue mug. We can change phrases into sentences by adding words to them. For example, my brother gifted me a lovely blue mug on my birthday. Now we will start kinds of sentences. So children, sentences are of 4 kinds. Declarative or assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentences. So what is declarative or assertive sentence? Declarative or assertive sentences state or declare something. These sentences end with a full stop. For example, Pankaj Semwal was amongst the 18 children who got the National Bravery Award in 2018. Now, interrogative sentences. So, interrogative sentences ask questions. They end with a question mark. For example, where were the 2016 Olympics held? Or where are you going? And it ends with question mark. Next, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences express a command, make a request or a suggestion. For example, finish your lunch. This is a command. Please drop me at the metro station. This is a request. You should wear your jacket as it is getting cold. This sentence is of suggestion. Now, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express strong or sudden feelings or emotions. They end with an exclamation mark. We can use what, such, what a, or an, or such a, or such an to form exclamatory sentences. For example, Pankaj is a true inspiration for youngsters. What a pleasant surprise. Such a beautiful garden. Now children, we will study the question tags. So what is question tags? Sometimes when we say something, we expect the other person to agree with it. In such cases, we use a question tag. A question tag is a short question at the end of the statement. It consists of an auxiliary or helping verb plus subject. We use a negative question tag with a positive statement like it's a lovely day, isn't it? They are coming, aren't they? So here we are using a negative question tag with a positive statement, and we use a positive question tag with a negative statement like the show hasn't begun yet. Has it? Amar won't agree with me. Will he? Clear, student? So here your chapter 1 is completed. So children, I will send you the book exercises. So you have to complete it in your book itself. Till then, stay safe and healthy at home. Thank you.